You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. One of the most common names in English. There's going to be slightly different pronunciations in British English in the UK and American English pronunciation, the way they say it in the United States, the US. So, British English, John. 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 In American English, US, it's generally pronounced with a more open R sound, as in John. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.